my, you guys.
You took my job.
From the edge? Okay.
You want to have wings in width or just width?
This way first. Hey, get away from that. All right, how come down from the top and tell me what that is.
5 foot 6.5 inches. Hey, get away from that.
Some of these dimensions are.
You know what I would love, Mom? For there to be like a big window in the back where like you can look at pasture and stuff. You think that'd be cool? Gotcha. Oh, come here. Why are you trying?
You can hold the next one.
You want to hold the next one?
Hey, how far was this door?
Hold it.
3 foot.
Hold it. Hold it.
It's almost 3 foot. It's like 34.5 inches. And then that window is probably the same exact.
Yep. All right. And that window is a little bit smaller, so you know how far from the end.
What to do?
Inches from the edge.
I know you do. Okay, wait, what's on you?
It is 42 inches long.
Let me know, Mom.
And it is 34 inches wide.
we should go in there and try to draw the inside?
Sure.
The back really don't matter at this point. So we said that was 4 foot in from the edge of the house, this little room, right? 2, 3, 4. And we said it was 6 foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. From there, how far out does this here closet?
You only need these candles?
Measure your wall.
You only need these candles, Mama? Hey, Mom,
Almost 2 foot.
Thank you, baby.
That thing is like just 2. Let's see where it's 2.
So you got 3 inches of wall. They're just ballpark. So how far is it from the door this way? Okay, so it's hard to see this room. How would you? Okay, this is the living room, which that's the great big picture window out the front. So, living room. Did you call that a little dining room then? Okay, dining room. Here's that corner door right there. Small closet. Kitchen. Nice, really not bad kitchen. Dinette thing. Then around the corner, not cleaned much. That's a utility room. Nice sized utility room. Oh, I thought you were going to say something. Sorry. Then small hallway, bathroom there. We'll not look at that. Bedroom and bedroom. Okay, so again, that is west, north, east, south. So what I did was, with the guys' help, we have laid out the floor plan roughly on some graph paper. Sherry has found a plan that's almost the same size. We think will still work with a few little changes. There may be a change right there. With a few changes, and it may really work out. So we're excited about that. We actually brought the tape measure with us, and so we did find out it's a little bit bigger than we thought. All right, that's what we got going on today. All right, we got some tools here to do some demolition in the kitchen. I'm going to try to start the brush pile, and we're going to clean on the house.
Molly will be handling demolition today.
Yes.
Is it still going?
So I'm going to show her how to take out cabinets, and Sherry and I are going to try to make sure basically that the house is cleaned out of stuff. Today we've got one full room and a couple others that are pretty clean.
Yeah.
But then we'll be ready to start doing some major
Remodeling, I guess.
remodeling. Yeah, so we're excited about that. Got the clipboard from the other day with a floor plan, and we'll start trying to show you bits and pieces of that, and then looking forward to some comments. You had a comment from a person on some different things about the outside.
About the placement of the door.
Okay,
Because,
related.
Yeah, if you place the door out here, the garage is over here, so it's a long way to walk, especially in the wintertime, into the house with groceries. So made us think if we want to put the door up there or if we want to put a door on the side. So comment, give us your ideas.
Yeah. And oh, this is Molly, in case you can't tell by just the eyes.
What? If I take this off, then I have to put it back on.
I know. All right, here we go. All right, so I don't want to break this cabinet yet.
Okay.
All right, we'll get to it, but we'll try to take the glass out so that we don't destroy that. But what you can do is pull these out. Okay, and you can put trash in it. Fill it full of trash, and then I'll carry it out to the pile, okay? So, after that, you can hit things. You can use these various crowbars, or if you get really wild, you can use a sledgehammer, okay? Now, let's start out with how to disassemble. There's nothing in here of any salvage value, okay? Alright, so voila, there's one. Now this, we just want to get it out of here. Don't want to wait a whole lot of time, waste. And we could use a sledgehammer or whatever, but all the junk comes out, okay, all the way around. So what I might suggest is gather up the paper, throw it in here, and I'll start hauling that out. Okay, questions? No? Okay, same thing up here. Again, glass we'll have to put up here.
Always be cautious.
Oh, I had a water line.
Oh, excellent.
Imagine that. Okay, so I borrowed this from Uncle Gene. It's a little torch of sorts. I'm going to try to get this started with the vintage decal hats, which are shot. I'd love it. I'd love it if they weren't, but they are. Try to get this started, and we'll see. If this thing blows up, well, nice knowing me.
All right, this is the mudroom that comes off the back of the house, which is really exciting for the future house for maybe Lila Jean. It's a concrete floor. We've cleaned out this area of it. Still have the rest to do, but it's honestly a pretty good, sorry about that. But anyways, it's a pretty good size mudroom. You can see that. Yes, that is the pile of junk that I cleaned up. And over there, there was an old table.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hopefully you can hear us. All right, more activity here in the utility room. Lila is getting rid of some hoses and stuff off of the dishwasher. No, that's not a dishwasher. What is that? It's a clothes washer. Clothes washer. We've made some progress in here. Molly and Lila had got a lot of the doors off of there, and I need to do some work myself. So moving along, and they got the dryer out by themselves. So that's kick butt. That's awesome. Okay, so for this room, we're closer. We still got some stuff there. So the girls have got the doors off. Sherry has cleaned the floor. Not bad. So didn't get this. We should have got them in, Sherry. We didn't get Jameson or Lizard.
No, but they were helping.
So Lizard is number two daughter, and her husband Jameson, and they got the refrigerator out and the dishwasher out, and then through the window you won't be able to see, but out there is a garage, and there were 2 refrigerators in there, and they're out. You guys got the washing machine and the dryer out.
Yep, and a table.
And that table that was cool. It was a, what would you call that? Sort of like a drop leaf, but it's a dining room table. And so this room is cleaned out.
There's a few things in the cabinets we need to get.
A few things up there, and you found some medicine.
Yes.
So tell us what you got there.
So this here, hold on a second, I want to cover the name.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. Can you see it?
No, but
Right
what?
there. Equagesic, and it has like a tranquilizer and aspirin. They used to give it for like heart attacks and chronic pain and that kind of thing. Well, they discontinued it, and it's the medication that they thought that Bruce Lee had a reaction to and died. So, and that prescription is from 1974.
So we'll get rid of that properly here in a bit. What else? You had some opium?
Well, it was a
cough medicine.
Cough medicine that was an opioid base.
Okay.
You can see it in the brown bottle. And this one was actually from 68.
68, all right. All right. Oh, I hear some boys.
I'm going with the highway.
You're what?
Going with you.
Yeah, you guys are going with us. So, Dion, there's Colt, man. That's our grandson.
Hey, can you say hi?
Colt. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna tidy up and go home for today.
Yep. It'll be good for some feed just in general.
Sorry.
I said it'll be good for feed just in general.
That gives more light. I can get that out today, y'all. Okay, you got it? All right. So what I would do is I'd set it up. What do you think, in this corner?
Yeah. And I'll try to
Went over there with time lapse. Okay.
open it to video and see what it looks like. That may give a better view of the whole thing.
What's film? Film. It's a film.
Mark, do you want it like that or do you want it down just a little bit?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Do you have time lapse? Yeah, you have time lapse. Stop.
like and subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on Facebook. Ask your questions so we can all learn together. Come and grow with us.